Our plant for the production of pharmaceutical powders, in the Tyumen region, has been on the pharmaceutical market for more than 10 years. We use various pharmaceutical equipment that meets the requirements and standards of GMP for production, a unit for dehydration of aqueous solutions, and extracts in a fluidized bed apparatus, rotary tablet machines, an automatic line for packaging tablets into plastic film, and foil and other high-tech machines and apparatuses. Last year our company started producing vitamins in tablets. In order to ensure storage conditions for tablets, packed in plastic bottles, it is necessary to put inside a sachet with a special substance, silica gel powder. This powder removes moisture and extends the shelf life and storage conditions. This procedure required the purchase of additional equipment, an automatic machine for filling bags of silica gel into plastic bottles. Since I have already chosen many different machines for our company, I had a little experience in the selection and remained the contacts of some reliable manufacturers of equipment. I started contacting the manufacturers by phone and asked if they could produce a machine for filling silica gel bags into plastic bottles. My main criteria was that the machine had to have a capacity of at least 6,000 bottles per hour and that it should be automatically controlled. At first I contacted a company in Germany who offered me an automatic silica gel filling machine, but they told me that the whole process of delivery, customs clearance and installation of the equipment was not included in the price. The delivery could have been delayed and I refused. Then I contacted the company from Russia. I was looking online for an intermediary from Russia, because I once had a bad experience with a Chinese intermediary supplying equipment, when a powder filling line was brought to us, but there were no installation documents or technical data sheet. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All the companies I called to make sure of the professionalism of their managers. A specialist from one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The manager, a man, talked to me like a professional. He asked specific questions about the desired capacity of the machine, bottle size, told me about the terms of delivery. During the consultations he suggested an automatic machine for packing silica gel bags in plastic bottles, which I was able to quickly negotiate with the company management. Within a week we concluded a contract for the supply of equipment. The company specialist offered to test the machine and asked to send the bottles and silica gel roll. The manager informed us about the degree of readiness of the machine 2 weeks before delivery and sent a video where we could see our equipment. The pre-made pouches on the roll are placed in a special automatic machine that feeds 1 silica gel pouch into the bottle in a dosing process. The empty bottles are conveyed by a conveyor belt. After placing the sachet, the conveyor belt takes the bottles under the counting and filling machine, where the capsules or tablets are loaded. The working area of the packaging is closed by plastic shields to prevent exposure to external factors. 1 month after signing the contract, we received the silica gel bottling machine. The manager provided us with a manufacturer's warranty, equipment technical passport, drawings and operation manual. We installed the machine and trained the workers, who would be assigned to the machine within a week. I was satisfied with the automatic silica gel packaging machine offered and supplied by a specialist from Moscow. The competent advice has saved me time and helped me to avoid the mistakes I might have made had I made the choice myself. It is hard to find professionals in the equipment supply business. I am very glad that in the end, I was lucky to meet such a person.